Professor Tammy here. This presentation aims to explore the relationship between critical thinking and moral issues. We will define moral issues, delve into critical thinking principles, and learn how to construct logical arguments while applying these skills to real-world scenarios. We will begin by understanding what moral issues are and the types of dilemmas that can arise. Next, we will discuss the role critical thinking plays in moral reasoning. We will also explore how to construct ethical arguments and apply critical thinking to real-world situations. Finally, we will evaluate moral arguments and reflect on our learning. Moral issues are problems that involve questions of right and wrong. Understanding these issues is critical for developing effective arguments about ethical dilemmas that we encounter. Moral issues pertain to questions of ethics and morality, often involving conflicts between different values or principles. They require individuals to make choices that can have significant implications for themselves and others. Moral dilemmas can be categorized in various ways, such as personal versus societal ethics or absolute versus relative moralities. Understanding these categories helps in navigating complex moral decisions. Throughout history, different cultures and philosophers have shaped our understanding of morality. By examining these perspectives, we gain insights into how moral reasoning has evolved over time. Critical thinking is essential in analyzing and resolving moral issues. It involves systematic evaluation of arguments and the application of structured reasoning. Critical thinking involves principles such as clarity, accuracy, relevance, and logic. By adhering to these principles, individuals can assess moral arguments more effectively. Understanding different ethical frameworks such as utilitarianism and deontology is crucial for moral reasoning. Each framework offers distinct approaches to resolving moral dilemmas. Recognizing biases and assumptions in our thinking is vital for critical moral reasoning. This awareness allows us to evaluate arguments more objectively and fairly. The ability to construct strong arguments is fundamental in moral discourse. This section will cover how to structure arguments effectively and use evidence to support them. A well-structured argument typically includes a clear thesis, supporting premises, and a conclusion. Each component plays a crucial role in persuading an audience. Using credible evidence and logical reasoning strengthens an argument. This involves employing facts, statistics, and examples to substantiate claims. To build a robust argument, it is essential to acknowledge and address counter-arguments. This not only shows critical engagement, but also strengthens the original position. In this section, we will look at practical applications of critical thinking skills in evaluating and resolving moral issues that arise in everyday life. Examining case studies allows us to apply critical thinking to real-world moral dilemmas. Through analysis, we can identify core issues and propose ethical solutions. Moral issues often involve conflicting values. Understanding how to balance these values is crucial for making ethical decisions that respect different perspectives. Implementing ethical decision-making processes can guide individuals through complex moral issues. This involves careful consideration of all factors and potential outcomes. Finally, evaluating moral arguments and reflecting on our own reasoning are key for personal growth and ethical understanding. This encourages continuous learning and improvement. When evaluating moral arguments, several criteria can help, including consistency, coherence, and the strength of evidence. Using these helps clarify the validity of arguments. Reflective thinking involves critically assessing one's own beliefs and decisions. This practice promotes a deeper understanding of ethical issues and enhances moral reasoning. Ethics is a dynamic field. Continuous learning and adapting our understanding of moral issues are essential for personal and societal growth. Critical thinking about moral issues and constructing arguments is essential for navigating ethical dilemmas. By understanding the principles of critical thinking, we can engage in meaningful discussions and make informed discussions. That's all, folks.